Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce consultancy fees with Toptal, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your project requirements clearly. Identify the specific skills needed for your consultancy. Research Toptal's talent pool to find suitable candidates. Create a concise project brief outlining your goals and expectations. Reach out to Toptal with your project brief. Discuss your budget constraints during the initial consultation. Request a preliminary estimate of consultancy fees. Inquire about different pricing models that Toptal offers. Consider negotiating the fee based on project scope and duration. Be open to discussing alternative payment structures, such as fixed rate versus hourly rates. Evaluate different consultants' profiles and their previous work. Shortlist candidates who align with your project needs and budget. Schedule interviews with your top choices to gauge their fit. During the interview, ask about their experience with similar projects. Clarify any additional costs that may arise during the consultancy period. Once you have chosen a consultant, agree on a clear timeline and deliverables. Request a detailed proposal that includes the fee breakdown. Review the proposal carefully and negotiate if necessary. Finalize the contract, ensuring all terms are transparent. Focus on building a strong working relationship to enhance productivity. Monitor project progress and maintain open communication throughout. Regularly assess the value you're receiving relative to the fees paid. Be willing to adjust the scope of work if it helps in reducing costs effectively. At the end of the project, evaluate the overall success and return on investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.